We are going to start chapter 6, triangles. In class 9th, we have seen congruent triangles. Congruent means equal or equal in every aspect. Congruent का मतलब होता है same shape and same size. Okay, if two figures are congruent, that means they have same shape and size. Okay, now we are going to, good afternoon. We are going to see the new term here, that is similar figures. If two figures are similar, then they have same shape. It's not necessary that their size will be same. Okay, if two figures have same shape but not necessarily the same size, they are said to be similar figures. Okay, now like two circles of different radii will not be congruent. दो सर्कल्स हैं, एक का अगर रेडियस 2 सेंटीमीटर है और एक का रेडियस 4 सेंटीमीटर है, तो ये दोनों कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं होंगे, बट दे विल बी सिमिलर. ओके, सो ऑल सर्कल्स with same radii are congruent. Okay, this we have seen before, but if they have different radii, then they will be similar. Okay, so similarly two squares, if there are two squares, they are of different size. Okay, then they are not congruent, but they are similar. Okay, if there are two equilateral triangles are there. Okay, so of different side, suppose this is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, all sides are 2 centimeter, then they are similar but they are not congruent. Okay, one more thing, all congruent figures are similar, but all similar figures are not congruent. All congruent figures are similar, but similar figures are not congruent. Okay, so all circles are similar. Okay, all squares are similar, and all equilateral triangles are also similar. Okay, can a circle and a square be similar? No. Okay, can a triangle and a square be similar? No. Okay, so these figures cannot be similar. Okay, now अब जैसे कॉन्ग्रुएंस के लिए कुछ कंडीशंस होती है. ओके, जैसे कॉन्ग्रुएंस के लिए कुछ कंडीशंस होती है, लाइक SAS कॉन्ग्रुएंस रूल, RHS कॉन्ग्रुएंस रूल, SS कॉन्ग्रुएंस रूल. ओके, AAS. तो हम यस, सो बाय दिस कॉन्ग्रुएंस वी आर श्योर कि ये एग्जैक्टली सेम शेप और सेम साइज के फिगर्स हैं, अगर हमने उनको कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव कर दिया तो. ओके, ऐसे ही सिमिलैरिटी के लिए भी कुछ कंडीशंस होंगी. ओके, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू सी इन नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द चैप्टर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सी द कंडीशंस ऑफ टू पॉलीगॉन्स टू बी सिमिलर. अभी हम ट्रायंगल्स पे नहीं आके पॉलीगॉन्स पे आ रहे हैं. पॉलीगॉन्स मीन्स एनीथिंग मेड अप ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट हैविंग मोर देन 3 साइड्स. पॉलीगॉन की डेफिनेशन ये है, मतलब ट्रायंगल, क्वाड्रिलेटरल, पेंटागन, हेक्सागन, ये सब पॉलीगॉन्स है. ओके, सो एनी पॉलीगॉन ऑफ सेम नंबर ऑफ साइड्स आर सिमिलर if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are in same ratio. ठीक है, दो पॉलीगॉन्स है वो सिमिलर कब होंगे? सबसे पहले तो उनके करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स इक्वल होंगे और करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड सेम रेशो में होंगे. ओके, जैसे सपोज ये 1 सेंटीमीटर है, ये 2 सेंटीमीटर, ये 3 सेंटीमीटर है. दिस इज एंगल इज 60 डिग्री, 50 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री एंड 70 डिग्री. Suppose we have another triangle which has angles 50 degree, 60 degree and 70 degree, and now this is suppose 1.5, this is 3 and this is 4.5. So are these two triangles similar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
They are similar because angles are equal, 50 60 70, 50 60 70, और साइड्स आर प्रोपोर्शनल. कोई भी दो करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स को डिवाइड कर दो. 1.5 by 1 is 1.5, 3 by 2 is 1.5, 4.5 by 3 is also 1.5. Okay, so sides are proportional and angles are equal, therefore these two triangles are similar. This can be applied for any quadrilateral or pentagon or higher polynomials also having more number of sides. Okay, so this is the conclusion. Actually, two polygons are of same number of sides are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and or corresponding sides are in same ratio. Okay, now one example is given. Suppose there are two quadrilaterals. One angle is 85 here, one angle is 85, another is 70, 70, 100, 100, 105, 105. So all angles are equal. Sides 2.4, 4.8. So multiply by 2. 2.5, 5. Again multiply by 2. 1.5, 3. Multiply by 2. 2.1, 4.2. Again multiply by 2. So these two figures or polygons are similar because angles are equal and sides are proportional. Okay. Now let's just check the next figure. This is 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree and 90 degree. Here also all four angles are 90 degree. 3, 3.5, 3, 3, 3.5, 3, 3, 3. So sides are not proportional. यहाँ तो इनका रेशो है 3.5/3 और नेक्स्ट वाले में इनका रेशो है 3/3, that is 1. So they are not proportional. Okay. So this two quadrilaterals are not similar. Is this thing clear to everybody? In figure 6.7, as angles are not equal, even though sides are proportional, therefore, these two are not similar. Okay. Then, so these are the answers. Now, question second, give two different examples of pair of similar figures.
Ma'am, figure 6.5.
But how will write in exam figure 6.5? We are not going to write.
Like, we can draw that figure.
Ma'am, two circles.
Two circles. Okay. Then non-similar figures.
Ma'am, a square and a circle.
A square and a circle. This way you can write, right? A square and a circle. And here you can write two circles or two equilateral triangles. Okay. Two squares also you can write. Okay. Two circles, two squares will be example of similar figures. Two, a square and a circle can be example of non-similar figure. Okay. Now, next one who is interested now. Yes, Hardik, next wala batao. State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not.
And they are not similar.
Why?
Ma'am, because the angles are not equal.
Right. Angles are not equal. This is obtuse angle, this is acute angle, this is obtuse and this is acute, and here all are right angles. Okay. So the figures are not similar. Okay. Now, so we can state the same condition for similarity of two triangles. Two triangles are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and their corresponding sides are proportional. Okay. Now, if corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, they are also called equiangular triangles. If corresponding angles are equal, then they are called equiangle triangles. Equiangular triangles. Then ratio of any two corresponding sides in equiangle triangles is always same. Okay. So this actually will come in detail in coming part. So now we are going to see basic proportionality theorem. Okay. This is basic proportionality theorem. It is also called BPT. BPT, basic proportionality theorem. What does this theorem says? If in a triangle, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in same ratio. Okay, that means अगर कोई triangle है, एक ऐसी लाइन बनाई है, एक ट्रायंगल एबीसी है, एक ऐसी लाइन बनाई है जो बीसी के पैरेलल है. ओके, तो according to this theorem, if D is parallel to BC, okay, then AD upon DB will be equal to AE upon EC. Okay, if D is parallel to BC, then AD upon DB will be equal to AE upon EC. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, we are going to prove basic proportionality theorem. Okay, basic proportionality theorem says that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Okay, so we first of all we are going to construct a triangle ABC, then construct a line DE parallel to BC. Okay. Now construct a line perpendicular from E on AB and construct a line perpendicular from D on AC. Okay, let this be AM, this be this. Okay. So given D is parallel to BC, to prove AD upon DE DB equals to AE upon EC. Okay. Construct NE parallel perpendicular to AB and DM perpendicular to AC. Proof. Okay. Area of triangle ADE is half base into height. Half base is what? Base is AD and height is NE. Okay. So half AD into NE. Okay. And area of triangle ADE from the other side. Okay, that will find. First of all, we'll find area of triangle BDE. Okay. For BDE, we'll just join this lines also. Join BE and DC. Okay. अब एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल BD, ये वाला ट्राइंगल, इसका एरिया अगर फाइंड करना है तो अगर BD बेस है तो ये हो जाएगा हाफ BD इज बेस. ओके, एंड परपेंडिकुलर ENE है. ओके, so it is half into NE, BD into NE. Okay. Similarly, area of triangle ADE with AE as base. If I take AE as base, area of triangle ADE is half AE into DM. Half AE into DM. And area of triangle DEC with EC as base. If EC is base, perpendicular is this only, DM. Okay, so half EC into DM. Okay, now we'll find ratio. So area of ADE upon area of BD from what we have found. So half AD upon into NE upon half BD into NE. Okay. So, and area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle DEC is half AE into DM and half EC into DM. Okay. So this and this cancel. That is equal to AD upon BD and this is AE upon EC. Now, in class 9th, we have studied one theorem. Triangles between the same parallels and on same base are equal. So area of triangle DEB and area of triangle DEC will be equal because they are between same parallels DE and BC और दोनों का base है D तो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल BDE equals to area of triangle DEC as they are on same base D and between same parallels BC and D. Okay, so area is equal. अब इन दोनों इक्वेशन को अगर कंपेयर करें, if I compare 1 and 2, their denominators, numerators are same, denominators are equal. So I can write AD upon BD equals to AE upon EC. That's what we have to prove. So hence proved. Converse of BPT. Okay, basic proportionality theorem. It is actually theorem 6.2 in our book. Okay, so it says that if a line divides two sides of a triangle in same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Okay, so here what is given? AD upon BD equals to AE upon EC. Okay, what we have to prove? We have to prove that DE is parallel to BC. Okay, so first of all, make the figure A, B, C. Let this be line DE. Okay. Now, let us construct a line DE dash. Okay. So, now, proof. Okay. If D is not parallel to BC, we have to prove this. Suppose DE is not parallel to BC. तो अगर D पैरेलल नहीं है BC के, तो कोई और लाइन होगी जो उसके पैरेलल होगी. तो let DE dash be parallel to BC. If DE dash is parallel to BC, by basic proportionality theorem, we can write AD upon DB equals to, this is B, AB upon DB equals to AE dash upon E dash C. Okay. Now, what is given? This is given, and what we have concluded is this. So from 1 and 2, we can write AE upon EC equals to AE dash upon E dash C. Okay. If we add 1 to both sides, AE upon EC plus 1 equals to AE dash upon E dash C plus 1. So it is AE plus EC upon EC equals to AE dash plus E dash C upon E dash C. AE plus EC, if you see in the figure, that is equal to AC. Okay, and AE dash plus E dash C, that is also AC. Okay, E dash C. That means this and this cancel. So if EC equals to E dash C, that means E and E dash are same points. Okay, therefore AE is parallel to BC. Oh, sorry, D is parallel to BC. D is parallel to BC. Hence,